Hello, me again, and I'm here to explain this video right here. Oh, okay, yeah. Sorry, I was distracted for a bit. So I'm gonna explain what this is. So this was me playing on actually quite an old version of the game. The game doesn't work like this. You can tell because of the way I've laid the tracks, but you can't really see it. So what you want to do is to when we get to the part where it is at the end of the video. All right. So what happened is see that stretched track? That stretched track was is too sharp for the train to run on it normally. So it's going to bounce a bit, and that's the perfect way of getting that custom camera angle that the video had. I'll put a picture of it up on the screen in editing what it will look like the end result. I don't know if this still works, but there's no harm in trying. Also, if you do ever see this video, I want to see more pictures like the one I've made it. They're really cool, I think. Anyway, so what you want to do is you want to slowly make it there. Okay, no, not in reverse. So you want to, I guess I'm going pretty fast, and see how it does this. It's basically because the wheels are right now the guided wheels are standing on top of it. So do you see what just happened? So I'll back up a bit. So what you do is when it's like this, you get out of third person mode and then you re-enter it. And then the camera will be angled towards whatever the train is angled in. And then you reverse out to make the train straight, so you don't have this weird thing. Unless you want it to be on the side, like if you want to make like something like really cool image or something. And then you put on the brakes. It looks like I derailed the train as well. Um, and then and there you go. There's where my screenshot comes from. That's basically what the channel banner is, and that's how you create it. You just hide the UI, and there you go. There's your angled camera angle for your screenshots if you really want it to look like that. Now, I hope that was useful. I'm not exactly sure what the track proportions are. Um, if you guys if it really becomes an issue, write it down in the comments that you need to know the degrees that the track is in. I'll I'll go in. I'll try to figure out what save this is on, and I'll tell you if it's possible. Anyway, hey, I hope this was way better than just trying to watch and figure it out yourself. Anyway, this is tutorial, and I'll thank you for watching. Bye.